guys, today we are going to be teaching you how to make an intro. So what you want to go is to Panzoid, and then I recommend Sappy because he makes a lot of good creations. So you can click on creations and choose one of his templates. I like maybe this one. See how it is. Oh, I like that one. Alright, so you can go to here to change it. Like, nobody has a channel name. So you can press that and then change the name to just do a simple smiley face here. You're going to want to do all of them so it doesn't look so weird. There, so now it's just a smiley face. Or actually, let's not put that. We can just put your channel name in it. Now, if you want to change the music, you can just select an audio file, but it can't be copyrighted. Now you can start video render, and then when it's done, it will come down here. You can open it and play it, edit it in iMovie or something like that. So that's basically the tutorial for now. I will see you in the next one, and if you like my new intro. I think it's really good. I'm just going to play it for the outro. 3, 2, 1.